Clean My Mac have sent me this. Hi Will, are you ready to face the Mac SOS challenge? Hashtag. I'm pretty sure there's a MacBook in here. This is an old MacBook. So this is a MacBook Air. It is very old, very scratched up. I can't imagine this being very fast. So Clean My Mac X has basically asked me to design a logo using this laptop. And the weird thing about this laptop is that it is old and not very good because it's so slow. Okay, so don't know if you guys can see this, but I've just opened up this MacBook and I've never seen a desktop like this, but I think Jordan's desktop would look like this. It's huge, so much stuff. Yeah, I know, and the laptop itself is grimy. Like you literally, I don't know if you guys can spot this, but there's so much stuff on the desktop. I don't think I can even open the web browser. So the goal today is to take this laptop, the MacBook Air, and I'm trying to record the screen on it, but I don't think it will even let me. The goal today is to use this laptop to design a logo, but I don't even have Adobe Illustrator on here. Creative Cloud. Let's try and download this. For anyone who wants to know the tech specs of this Mac, it is an early 2014 13-inch 1.4 gigahertz Intel Core i5, so it should have no problem like downloading or recording anything, but I don't think we've got any space left in the laptop. So what I'm gonna have to do, because I can't download Adobe Creative Cloud, I'm gonna have to like use Clean My Mac, because it's not actually gonna be able to, I'm not gonna be able to do any work. Have you seen all these files? Do we have any apps that I can use? We've got Adobe Illustrator. We've got Adobe Illustrator, we can use this. Let's see if I can actually do anything. Honestly, I don't know if I'll be able to do anything. This is taking way too long. We're like 2 minutes already opening up Illustrator. Let's see if I can actually start a new logo. So like, let's have a look. Let's go to web, create an artboard, just a standard one. Okay, this is taking way too long to open. This sort of thing stresses me out. If a laptop doesn't work like this, you need to fix it. By now, I would have already had 5 designs, 5 ideas on paper. This is actually ridiculous. I'm not actually joking, Jordan. This is like the slowest laptop I've ever had. This is not my laptop. The person who used this is like, obviously used it very well, but has not like maintained it. And obviously Clean My Mac have sent me this laptop. It was a borrowed one. It's still not opening, so I don't really know what to do other than jump straight to the point of us using Clean My Mac so it's actually usable, which I was going to do after I designed a logo. But as you can see here, oh, it's worked. We're in a page. Let's see what we can do. That took, no joke, longer to load up a document than it did to open up the application. That's ridiculous. This is slow, but it doesn't have to be this slow. Okay, we've got a shape. We're all good. We can do something. Maybe. Can we? No fill, just stroke. Okay, so that took way too long. I'm going to close out of this, not going to save it because it's taking too long to load anything up. It's just not possible. What we're going to do, in fact, is go and clean this Mac up. So Clean My Mac have sponsored this video. They wanted me to show you the power of the actual program that is Clean My Mac. You can see all this, these pictures. It's like a graphic designer's like haven right here. So many just random files on the desktop. It stresses me out. Okay, so we're going to free up some space. We're going to boost the speed of this. It's going to be super fast after. I do love the design. The actual icon for Clean My Mac is sick as well. So I'm on Clean My Mac. This is going to make the whole thing a lot better. I'm just going to press scan and see what happens. Looking for unneeded files, so many. So basically what we're doing in this part is cleaning up the whole Mac. It's going to take any files that aren't needed and just get rid of them. And it knows automatically which ones you need and don't need. So it's not going to wreck anything. It's also going to find out if there's any viruses. So it's going to protect it. So if there's any adware, then it's going to do some stuff to make it speedable. It's more speedy, faster, and actually usable. Because right now, if your laptop's like this, it's not actually your fault. It's just the software inside it needs to be maintained with Clean My Mac. And this is going to bring the Mac back to its original performance, which I'm really looking forward to, because I know Adobe Illustrator works on a Mac like this. Yes, you can go into my documents. Why not? It's not even my computer. Why not? So it's finding any threats and it's just scanning through everything. There's so much to scan through, but it's doing it very fast as well. We could have a cup of coffee. Okay, so let's run this and see what happens. Getting rid of all my system junk. Okay, so apparently now the laptop is working. The MacBook is working. We're going to grant access to the whole system. And we're going to make this even better. So we're going to look at Space Lens, get a visual size comparison of your folder and files. It's going to get rid of some of these old files that we do not need. So we're going to delete this. We're going to remove this and we're going to clean up this Mac. So we can do that. We can look at large and old files that scan really quick. Okay, we're now at a point where the Mac is working thanks to Clean My Mac. Let's see if I can start screen recording. It's looking good. Now let's do the ultimate test, which is let's see if we can open up Adobe Illustrator and do something with it. So I want to create a logo and that's faster than it was before. Okay, so now that I'm in Illustrator, I'm going to go ahead and design a modern logo of some sort. I'm not too sure yet. We'll do something abstract. What I'm going to do is we're going to bring this here. I'm going to find a nice font for this. And there we have it, the black hat. That is for the hacking community, even though I just got the inspiration from just cleaning up my computer. It's supposed to be a guy. I did this in literally like, what, 10 minutes. This guy is a hacker, which I don't think is a good hacker, but I like the idea of just creating like this abstract logo with black hat. Let me know what you think. It just goes to show that no matter what computer you're on, if you just look after your Mac by using Clean My Mac, getting Space Lens on there to see what files are like basically taking up all the space in your computer, you can do anything you want on this. So guys, if you want to learn more about Clean My Mac, click the link down below. There's other people who have done this challenge as well. I hope you found it entertaining. I am so stressed from doing this video. And now I feel a lot better that I can actually use the thing. Make sure you press subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.